Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Eucerin Itch Advanced Repair Lotion is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone battling persistent dry, itchy skin, offering a potent blend of ceramides and natural moisturizers designed to restore the skin's barrier and provide long-lasting relief from discomfort, making it a standout choice for those seeking a reliable and effective way to soothe and heal irritated skin. Number 5. Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. Introducing Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. It's specifically designed to provide intense moisture for very dry skin. This lotion is enriched with urea, a powerful humectant that draws moisture into the skin. It helps to soothe and hydrate even the driest complexions. Our unique triple moisturizing complex works to restore the skin's natural barrier. This helps to lock in moisture and prevent further dryness. It's an unscented body lotion, making it gentle enough for daily use. You can feel comfortable applying it all over your body. Experience long-lasting hydration with this 16.9 fluid ounces bottle. Your skin will feel smoother, softer, and more comfortable. Let it repair and restore your skin's health. It's the perfect solution for anyone struggling with dry, rough skin. What we like. This one offers a lightweight feel that absorbs quickly into the skin. It's perfect for daily hydration without feeling greasy. If you prefer a lotion that disappears into your skin and provides immediate comfort, this is a great choice for everyday use. What people say. This lotion is a game changer for dry, itchy skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. My skin feels incredibly soft and hydrated after using it. Number 4. Eucerin Advanced Repair Body Cream. Experience deep hydration with our advanced body cream. It's specifically formulated to soothe and repair severely dry skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. Enriched with urea, this cream helps to replenish moisture and improve the skin's natural barrier. It effectively combats dryness and flakiness. Our unique triple moisturizing complex works to provide long-lasting relief. It delivers essential moisture deep into the skin for continuous comfort. This fragrance-free formula is gentle on sensitive skin. It provides effective moisturization without any added perfumes or irritants. Restore your skin's health and suppleness. This cream is designed to repair and protect even the most compromised skin barriers. Enjoy the benefits of this rich cream with a generous 16-ounce jar. It's perfect for daily use all over your body. What we like. This option provides a richer cream texture for more intense moisture. It delivers long-lasting relief for very dry skin. If you have persistently dry or rough patches and need deep, sustained hydration, this cream is ideal for targeted treatment. What people say. This lotion is amazing for dry skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. My skin feels soft and hydrated after using it. Number 3. Eucerin Intensive Repair Body Lotion. Are you struggling with dry, flaky skin? Our Intensive Repair Lotion is here to help. It's designed to provide deep hydration and relief. This powerful formula is enriched with urea, a key ingredient known for its moisturizing properties. It works to gently exfoliate and hydrate rough skin. Experience lasting hydration with every application. This lotion penetrates deeply to restore your skin's natural moisture barrier. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to smoother, softer skin. It leaves your skin feeling comfortable and revitalized all day long. The 16.9 fluid ounces pump bottle makes it easy to dispense the perfect amount. Enjoy effortless application for healthier looking skin. What we like. This formula is specifically designed to target dry, flaky skin and smooth roughness. The convenient pump bottle makes application easy. If you struggle with skin that feels rough and uneven, and you want a simple way to achieve a smoother feel, this lotion is for you. What people say. This lotion is very moisturizing and has helped my dry skin. I like that this lotion is fragrance-free and absorbs quickly. It has a good consistency and is not greasy. Number 2. Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream. Introducing Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream. It's specially formulated to provide intense moisture for dry, rough hands. Enriched with urea, this cream deeply hydrates and helps to restore your skin's natural barrier. Experience lasting relief from dryness. Our unique triple moisturizing complex works to soothe and soften your skin. It effectively combats dryness and leaves your hands feeling smooth. This unscented moisturizer is gentle enough for daily use. It provides comfort without any fragrance, making it ideal for sensitive skin. This convenient travel size pack of 3 ensures you always have relief on hand. Keep your hands moisturized wherever you go. What we like. This is a hand-specific formula designed for the unique needs of dry hands. Its travel-friendly size makes it perfect for on the go. If you're looking for targeted relief for your hands and appreciate having a convenient option to keep in your bag or car, this multi-pack is an excellent value. What people say. This lotion is a game-changer for dry, itchy skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. My skin feels incredibly soft and moisturized after using it. Number 1. Eucerin Advanced Repair Dry Skin Lotion. Introducing Eucerin Advanced Repair Dry Skin Lotion, your ultimate solution for dry, flaky skin. Experience intense hydration and lasting relief. This advanced formula penetrates deep to moisturize and soothe even the most severely dry skin. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to smooth, healthy-looking skin. It works to repair your skin's natural barrier, preventing moisture loss and protecting it from environmental stressors. Feel the difference as your skin becomes stronger and more resilient. Enjoy long-lasting comfort without greasiness or stickiness. This lotion provides continuous hydration, keeping your skin soft and supple all day long. Get more of what you love with this convenient pack of 2. Ensure you always have this essential moisturizer on hand for your daily skincare routine. Its gentle yet effective formula is perfect for daily use on your body. Restore your skin's health and radiance with every application. What we like. This offers a value pack, ensuring you have an ample supply for consistent repair. It provides the same effective hydration you expect. If you love this product and want to ensure you never run out, or if you want to stock up on a reliable dry skin solution, this pack is the most economical choice. What people say. It is a very good product for dry skin. It is a very good product for dry skin and it is not greasy at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.